Hello and welcome everyone. So in today's video, we are going to solve the most viral math problem, that is 8 divided by 2 times 2 positive 2. In fact, this question is so famous, that's why an article on this question is already published in the New York Times with the heading that is the math equation that tried to stump the internet. And why this question is so famous? Just because of the ambiguous answer of this question. Means sometimes people are getting the answer that is 1, and most of the times, in fact, few people's getting answer 16 and few people's getting answer 1. That is why this entire question, or in fact this question, divides the entire internet two halves. One is saying that answer should be the 1, and second one is saying that the answer should be 16. So what is the correct answer? In fact, in this video we are going to discuss the correct answer and why people are getting the wrong answer. We will be also discussing the approach why people getting the wrong answer too. In fact, in order to solve this question, we will be using very basic concept of rules that is known as PEMDAS or BODMAS. Very first, we will understand what is PEMDAS. In fact, in PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, means whenever we have parenthesis, so very first in any algebraic expression, very first we will be manipulating the parenthesis, followed by exponents. If we have any term like a raised to 2 or a raised to 1 over 3, so after parenthesis, we will be operating this exponent term, followed by multiplication, then division, and in fact, multiplication and division has same precedence of operation, but they will be operated in any calculation from left to right, whichever appears first. Means if multiplication appears first while operating multiplication and division together on left to right hand side, so we will be manipulating multiplication first. If division is appearing first, so we will be manipulating division first. Then it is followed by addition and subtraction. So like multiplication and division, addition and subtraction also shares the same precedence of operation, but they will be operating from left to right, whichever appears first. So addition and subtraction. Same means similarly, we have another rule that is called BODMAS, and BODMAS is same as PEMDAS. Very first in BODMAS, we will be operating brackets just like we did in PEMDAS, and second one we will be operating the orders, powers or roots. Like if we have any term like a raised to 2, a raised to 1 by 4, then this one particular operation will be calculated, followed by division and multiplication. Like PEMDAS, they have same order of precedence, but they will be manipulating, in fact calculating from left to right, followed by addition and subtraction. They also shares the same precedence of operation, but they will be operated from left to right. So this is the basic rule that we will be using in order to calculate the correct answer of that one particular question. So let's try to solve this question. So here we are given that 8 divided by 2 times 2 positive 2. So very first we will be operating this bracket. So after simplifying this bracket, we have 4. So from here we will have 8 divided by 2 times multiplied 2. In fact, this is 4. So from here we will have 8 divided by 2 times 4. So here two operations, division and multiplications, appears together. They shares the same order of precedence in operation, but we will be manipulating this from left to right, whichever appears first. So here division appears first, so we will be calculating 8 divided by 2 first, so it will give result 4. So in place of 8 divided by 2, we will be placing 4. Now this expression becomes 4 multiplication 4, and after simplifying this we will have 16. This is the correct answer of the question, whether we are using PEMDAS or BODMAS. Means in both cases we will have the same answer 16. In fact, the correct answer 16. And one answer is also there that people are getting, and just because they means in fact if they make any slight mistake in order to operate the correct order of operations, so they get this answer that is in fact a wrong answer. So people are also doing this question like 8 divided by 2 times 2 plus 2. Very first they calculate 2 positive 2, that gives them result 4. So the expression becomes 8 divided by 2 times 4. So here they are calculating 2 multiplied 4 first. That means their expressions become 8 divided by 8, that results in 1. That is absolutely incorrect. So the correct answer is 16, and why we are getting this answer? We have exact logic of obtaining this one particular answer. So I hope you understand the solution and the basic concept of doing such questions. So please like the video, share it with your friends who loves mathematics, and please subscribe to the channel. And more importantly, thanks a lot for watching this video.